Hello everyone. Hello grade 6. I am here again, teacher Charlotte, and welcome to our math class. In today's video, we will be discussing activity 3 of our quarter 2, week 2, first competency in our activity sheet, proportion. Make sure you have watched the video of this topic before proceeding answering your activity sheets. I want you to open your activity sheet on page 11. Let's talk about the instruction. The direction is to solve the missing term and write your answer on the blank. Before you answer the activity, let us try the first problem. In a basketball game, Mike made 5 shots in 7 tries. At this rate, how many shots can he make in 14 tries? To further understand the problem, let us answer the following questions. What is the given fact? Mike made 5 shots in 7 tries. In the given statement, we can set our first ratio. Our first ratio is 5:7. What is being asked in our problem? The number of shots Mike can make in 14 tries. So we are looking for the number of shots. From this, we can set our second ratio. Our second ratio is the missing term is 2:14. Before we proceed in finding the missing term, let us remember this strategy. First is to write the proportion correctly. Second is to let n be the missing term. And lastly is to use cross products or cross multiplication. In our example, our proportion is 5:7 as to n is to 14. Again, let us now find the missing term. First step is to do cross multiplication. So we have 7 multiplied to n as to 5 multiplied to 14. We have 7n is equal to 70. Then divide both sides by 7. So we have n is equal to 10. Our missing term is 10. Mike can make 10 shots in 14 tries. Let us try another example. A car travels 120 miles in 3 hours with a constant speed. How far will it take to travel 200 miles? To further understand our problem, let us answer the following questions. What is the given fact? Correct. A car travels 120 miles in 3 hours. In the given statement, we can set our first ratio. Our first ratio is 120:3. What is being asked in our problem? Very good. How far will it take to travel 200 miles? So we are looking for the number of hours a car traveled 200 miles. From this, we can set our second ratio. Our second ratio is 200 is to the missing term. Again, before we proceed in finding the missing term, let us remember this strategy. Our proportion this time is 120:3 as to 200:n. As you notice, we write our proportion using colon. Let us now find the missing term. First step is to multiply the extremes. We have 120 times n. Then multiply the means. We have 3 times 200. We have 120n is equal to 600. We are looking for the value of the missing term n, so for us to find it, n should only be the one left on the left side of our proportion. What we will do is to multiply 120 on 120n to cancel out 120. And only n will be left on the left side of our proportion. Since they are equal, we also divide 120 on 600. So we have n is equal to 5. A car can travel 200 miles in 5 hours. Good job! You are about to finish your week 2.1 activities. If you have questions regarding this activity, you can ask your advisors in Mathematics 6. Thank you for watching!